presenting the Jeep 2017 Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include heated front seats, billet silver metallic clear coat, transmission, 5-speed automatic, W5A580, included, tip start 3.73 rear axle ratio hill descent control, engine, 3.6L V6 24VVVT, STD, manufacturer's statement of origin, body color fender flares, quick order package 24 are included, engine 3.6L V6 24VVVT transmission, 5-speed automatic, W5A580, radio, 430 nav included, 6.5 inches touchscreen display, remote USB port, 5-year Sirius XM travel link service, 40 GB hard drive, W/28 GB available GPS navigation, Sirius XM travel link, and 3.73 rear axle.